Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the process of adding TXT Record to your cPanel using DNS Zone Editor. My name is Isaac. Let's get started. What is TXT Record? TXT records are a type of domain name system record that contain text information for source outside your domain. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will create a TXT record to verify ownership of my domain with Google Search Console. Let's first get the TXT record from Google Search Console required for the verification. Open your browser and visit the Google Search Console. That is search.google.com/search-console/welcome. I will leave a link to this page in the description below. Enter your Gmail details to sign in. Next, enter your domain name in the text field provided and click Continue. In this tutorial, I will verify ownership of my domain shostdemo.com. A pop-up appears and you get to see the instruction provided for the DNS. Click on the copy to copy the TXT record for shostdemo.com. Log into your cPanel. At the domain section, click on Zone Editor. The Zone Editor section opens. Click on Manage beside the DNSSEC of the domain you want to add the record to. The Zone Editor page opens. Click on Add Record on the far right beside the Save All Records. A new section opens. Enter your domain name in the name section. Change the type to TXT Record and paste the TXT record you copied at the record section. Click Save Record. TXT record is successfully created. Scroll down to view the record. Go back to Google Search Console and click on Verify. Verification is successful. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can call our support line or send us a message on our website, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.